Hello there, I'm H_Dexter, a full-time graphic designer. I'm mostly focused on professional business logo designs in vivid styles. I joined Fiverr in 2013. Yes, I have 5 years of experience here on Fiverr with 1,500 plus happy clients. So, I am ready to design an awesome business logo that attracts more customers for you. You just have to provide me with business details, required style, objects, and colors you prefer. With my experience and skill, you will end up with an awesome, eye-catching, killer logo in that jaw-dropping design you expect. Also, some other benefits of my gig: 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Unique concepts, unlimited revisions, quick turnaround time. I am always using that Fiverr mobile app. Yeah, fully copyrighted ownership for your designs. Contact me or order now.